The overall goal of this procedure is to develop a simple, efficient, and scalable method for transient recombinant protein production in a plant-based system using the agro-infiltration technique. This is accomplished by first optimizing plant growth conditions. The second step is to transform Agrobacterium with launch vectors that combine components of plant viruses and binary plasmids, followed by culturing the transformed Agrobacterium for use in the agro-infiltration experiments. During Agrobacterium infiltration, the plants are flipped upside down, and aerial parts are submerged in an Agrobacterium suspension. A vacuum is then applied, causing air to be evacuated from intercellular spaces in leaf tissues through stomata. Rapid repressurization following release of the vacuum results in the infusion of the Agrobacterium suspension into leaves. Ultimately, immunoblotting and fluorescence assays are used to show recombinant protein production in the infiltrated plants.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like manual infiltration is that the vacuum infiltration method can be scaled up for industrial production of recombinant proteins, including vaccines and therapeutic proteins. This method can help answer key questions in the plant biotechnology and further facilitate the use of plants as an alternative platform for commercial recombinant protein production.
We first had the idea for this method when we found out that scaling up agroinfiltration in soil-grown plants is challenging for several reasons. Soil contains pathogens such as